Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. Firstly, I'd like to say thank you for everyone who shouted me out for my birthday yesterday. Really appreciate all the messages. Really thank you guys for that. But I'm back to work today. So as you can see, the weather is horrible. It's forecasting to rain like for the next 2 weeks. But we have got concrete day today. We have to get it done. Concrete truck is here. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to try and pour this concrete. I'm going to have to get some tops. I'm going to try and make a cover over the whole area because it's going to be raining all day. But I didn't get enough time to get the tops in this morning. We're stuck in traffic and the concrete guys are here. As you can see, they've already set the lines up. So we need to get this pumped and then I'm going to quickly run off, get some tops and cover up the area. So yeah, let's crack on. All right, guys, we're ready to go. So with this truck, it's a bit different than some of the other ones we use. They actually mix this on the truck. The pump and the concrete are on the same truck. And they sort of have this huge mixer that mixes sort of like half a cubic meter. So he's got to mix a batch, then pump it half a cubic meter at a time. Mix another batch, pump it, sort of thing. Whereas some other ones, it sort of comes out the chute. And it's just sort of an endless supply. So we haven't got the delay between the pumps. So this is why it's taking a little longer. One good thing about this is also it gives you a bit of time to move the pipe as well. So gives you about 5 minutes to remove things around. Which I'll do now. Yeah, what's that now? Meter or something? 2 minutes.
Yeah, it should be 2.
So how much should you do? Half at a time? Or what?
So it's just a bit of a hot line, obviously what's in here. That's the to go. So
Check and see. Yeah. Really? Can't be. Can't be. He reckons that's 2 mixes. There's no way. Two cubic meters. Sorry. think I estimate the whole thing should be like 2.5, including the garden part, the garden shed part. So this is probably a cubic meter. So as he said, he's a new guy. I don't think he really knows the quantities properly, but we'll see what he says in a minute. 1.2. Okay, I thought it was something like 1 or something. Yeah. Okay, so another one will probably, because I've estimated should do 2 to 2.5 to do the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think we're about halfway.
Yeah.
So yeah. So if you send another half meter,
Okay.
let's see where that gets to,
Okay. Right.
and then or another batch,
Another batch.
and then, yeah, let's do another batch,
Alright.
and then let's see. Yeah.
Because it's on 0.6 right now.
0.6 per batch.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Do another batch. Then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. So that's 0.6 cubic meters per mix. That's as much as the mixer holds. So as he said, he's done 2 batches, but also included in that batch is what's in the line as well, which is probably going to be about, I don't know, maybe 0.5, 0.4, something like that. So we have to take that into consideration when we're pumping it. So we don't actually have 1.2 in here. We've probably got sort of like 0.8 or something, or 0.7 maybe. And the rest of it's in the line, which will get blown out later when we're doing a small bit here. So yeah, we do have to gauge it right. So let's see how we get on with another 0.6. If 0.6 fills this up, I reckon what's in the line will pretty much fill up this area here. And if it is a little bit short, I can take some in a wheelbarrow and just reel it round and dump it in. Kind of. You know, I'll get into the garden though, so I can't really go that way. So, yeah, you gotta get it right, basically. Let's see. Yeah. You know how much is in the line?
Sure. Probably still full from the beginning.
Yeah, and you got some in the hopper still?
No,
Just the line that's there, yeah?
yeah.
And how much is that? 1.8? What's that, 1.8? What's now? Okay, check. Alright. Yeah. 1.8.
Yeah.
Cause is it? Can you do a small, another small bit?
Yeah.
Because I think what's in the line. So basically, I think now I need to disconnect that
Yeah.
and just fill that one there.
Yeah. That's
So, but I'm not 100% sure there'll be enough in that. I think we need like the 0.2 because I estimated I estimated 2 meters.
right. Yeah. I'm gonna
So
try
I think if
0.2,
we
yeah?
get that extra 0.2,
Yeah.
then whatever's left in the line, we pour it, we dump it here.
Yeah, right.
I think it should be enough
Yeah,
to do
right.
this bit, yeah?
I'll mix up now, yeah?
Yeah, alright, cheers. Thanks.
That's alright. We've got somewhere because we need to set the ball as well after.
Yeah, we just
Maybe-
gotta put it there, we'll put a wheelbarrow over it or
Yeah,
something.
yeah, underneath on top of here, maybe.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Wait, 2.
0.2, yeah, yeah. 2 in total, yeah? 2 meters in total, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi guys, I'm back. Just a quick update. So basically it looks like the last bit of footage didn't record. Sorry about that. So we've just popped down to get some breakfast. MJ's here with me now. It's 9 o'clock. Just gonna grab some breakfast real quick at Selco. We've gone pick up some tarpaulins as well. We're gonna see if we can make some sort of makeshift canopy or something, just because it's gonna be sort of raining all day. So it seems like it stopped for a minute, but we want to cover it up, so we're just gonna grab some of that, then we'll head back to site, and yeah, we'll catch up there. All right guys, you can see it's just started chucking down. We managed to put our tarp, so we managed to cover the main area. We've had to put some DPC plastic down over here. That's the best we can do with that, just to stop the water from getting in there. But I'm more concerned about the garden house than I am with the shed. We can always sort of tidy up bits with self-level and stuff if we need to. But here is the concrete floor in here that we've done, but at least to keep this area nice and covered. So yeah, you can see a huge tarp over here, and we're just going to leave it like this. So guys, that is it for today. We are getting out of here. As I said, it's chucking down, so chucking down for the next couple of days. So we're going to figure out what we can do in the meantime, as most of our work is outside. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.